any abolition by the current imposition of any intuition that they don't choose. When it comes to God, I can't believe that He designed a human being with no mind. He's not supposed to use it.
The rise of the state,
The decline of Rome
was inevitable.
had to fall.
The state of Rome, the state is as God walking on the earth.
The seeds of Rome's decline were present at the birth.
We should end for peace and rise, and men when separate now visual lies.
That Rome remains so strong.
The state shall be strong so long.
Nothing is true unless observed by you.
Atheistic existentialism, which I represent, is more coherent. I do believe it.
born to make manifest.
There is no such thing as human nature, not in all of human, since there is no God to conceive.